Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT JEE NEET Foundations.
Yeah. So in the distance and the displacement, a few other models, what we can focus is, So these kind of seconds, while we are writing the board, you can skip these seconds, and you can go directly to the question. Now, example. Now, what are the other models means? If an object moves from position 2i plus 2j minus 3k to position 4i minus j plus 3k, then find displacement. So in this case, we all know displacement formula we have given already, final position minus initial position, isn't it? Of course, it is having 3 dimensions. Even the 3 dimensions it is there, it is a location particularly. So along x direction it has 2 units, y direction 2 units, and z direction, negative z direction, it is 3 units. Now how can I represent this? RFRI, final position minus initial position. Of course, what is the final position? 4i minus jk plus 3k cap. Minus initial position is 2i plus 2j minus 3k. Then what happened here? 4 minus 2, it's a 2i cap. Minus of minus, that is minus j minus 2j, it's a minus 3j, and plus 3k minus of minus plus 3k plus 3k plus 6k, and this is the displacement vector. That is a displacement vector. Yeah. In one more example, what is that? Other model. Suppose there is a clock. The time is showing like so this is a minutes needle and this is a hours needle. This is showing. So initial time. So initial time is 3 a.m. and final time is 3:30 p.m. Initial time is 3 a.m. Final time is 3:30 p.m. Find distance moved by tip of the minutes hand. Distance moved by the tip of the minutes hand. Now, tip of the minutes hand means this. This is the tip of the minutes hand. Of course, the radius they have to do. If the radius of this, clock, all clock is nothing but r. If you take, then how can you do? Look at here. From 3 a.m. to 3 p.m. Okay. How much? How many times the minute needle is rotating during this time means, look at here. Number of times minutes needle move is, or number of times in the sense number of rotations I can call. Number of rotations is, it is nothing but 3 a.m. to 3 p.m. 12 hours plus 30 minutes, isn't it? 3 a.m. to 3 p.m. 12 hours and even 3:30 p.m. 30 minutes. So for this 12 hours it is making 12 rotations plus half rotation, because we are dealing with minutes needle or minutes hand. So minutes hand, if the minutes hand is completing one rotation, it is completing 1 hour. Like 2 rotations, 2 hours, like 12 hours, 12 rotation. How do you take it is 12, it's a into 2 pi r. 12 into 2 pi r. That is the distance. Because they are asking us the distance. 12 into 2 pi r. Plus half rotation again, it is nothing but pi r. Distance, na? Distance is nothing but length of the path along the circumference of the circle. So total it is nothing but 24 pi r plus pi r is nothing but 25 pi r, and this is the distance moved by the tip of the minutes hand when the time is indicating from 3 to 3:30, 3 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. In case if they ask us the displacement if they ask, so this is 3 o'clock. How about the 3:30 p.m.? 3:30 p.m. means this is 3 and here it is 4, here it is 5, here it is 6, right? 3:30 means hours needle is like this and minutes needle is like this, isn't it? Hours needle is moving half here, 3:30. Of course, they are asking the displacement of the minutes needle means initially the minutes needle is here, tip of the minutes needle, and after 3:30 p.m. means the tip of the minute needle is falling, right? And the displacement is nothing but S bar is equivalent to 2r, we can call. S bar is equivalent to 2r. Yeah. Is it clear? Yeah. So the next example, what is the next example? Suppose they are giving us, this is the graph and one more graph is this, like this, two graph. Is a position, I'm calling this as distance and time, and I'm calling this as the displacement and time, if this is a graph. So the question is, which is not possible? Which is not possible? Which is not possible? Look at here. As time goes on, distance moved. For example, this is 5, 10. And again coming back to 5 and 0. Isn't it? So distance is the total length of the path, I said. Isn't it? It's moving like this. Suppose it's a 10 meters it moved. And coming back to this 10 meters. Now 10 meters positive, and even coming back one also should be taken as positive, because even though if it is reverse its direction, the value keep on adding. For example, 10 and up to here 5. So 10 plus 5, keep on adding only. But here in this case, distance, once it is increased, and again it seems like decreasing. How is it possible? Whichever the direction the object is in motion, but the distance keep on increasing only. It never decreases once it start moving. So in which case distance is 0? Distance is 0 if object is at rest. But once the object start moving, distance never decreases. Please remember. And that is the reason this is not possible graph. And what about the displacement? Displacement, here it is 5, here it is 10, and again 5, again 10. In the same case I told you, no? So from here, sometime 0 to t and again coming back. So reaching to the same point, displacement we can call it is 0. Of course, displacement, it may reduce, it may increase, it may be 0. Even the body is at rest or the body is in motion, there is a possibility for the displacement that it can be positive, negative or 0. So based on this idea, this is not possible graph for the distance versus time, and this is a possible graph for the displacement and time.